What's going on, everybody? This is Billy with BillyMontez.com, and I wanted to shoot this video for you guys to give you 7 reasons to add SMS to your marketing. I'm going to let you come to my blog and read the full post, but what I'm going to do is just go over the 7 reasons to add SMS to your marketing real quick, and then I'm actually going to show you the software, the SMS software that I'm using as well. So number 1, SMS is proven to work. Number 2, text messaging is popular. Number 3, customers like it. Number 4, SMS is convenient. 5, plenty of untapped potential. 6, it's affordable and easy to use. And number 7, fast results, guys. So when you come here to the blog, which I'm going to leave a link inside the description underneath this YouTube video, you can come to this blog. You can read the full blog post here, and if you want to try the SMS tool that I'm using, you can click here and it'll take you to the sign up page, and that's what I'm going to show you next. All right, guys, so here we are in the back office of the SMS marketing system I use. So inside here, you're going to get full training. You're going to get everything you need to know about SMS marketing. And obviously, just like anything else, there's all kinds of different strategies and methods you can use to implement with SMS marketing. This also has a software in it called the RVM, okay, ringless voicemail. So that's also something that you guys may want to check out if you are interested in that. But either way here, I'm going to just do a quick SMS blast to show you guys how easy it is. So when you come in here, obviously, you'll know to read all this stuff here. Do not promote anything illegal or unethical. You can only send text between 9 a.m. and 8 p.m. EST. You can only send 1 broadcast per day per 24 hours. So they're trying to keep it, from people overusing the system and getting real spammy. So your account allows you to send 200 messages. This can be increased, but you're going to have to invest in more so that you can send more than 200 messages. You do have to have credits, and all that is explained when you click on that link in my blog post about the credits and stuff here. They're very, very cheap. We're talking pennies here for credits, and you need a minimum of 200 credits per broadcast. So basically each credit is going to be sent to an SMS message. So 200, that means you're going to send, you're going to be able to send 200, you're going to be able to send 1 message to 200 recipients per day per 24 hours. So also you can just kind of read through here, but let's just get started. So you have a text area here that's 125 characters. So not too much, but enough to get your point across. So I already crafted a message here. We're just going to paste that in here. So what I did here, I chose with the SMS system I'm using. You get to choose a phone number that a mobile number that comes with automatic voicemail and text message. So I set that up. So again, one of the strategies that I was mentioning prior to this is that you can just either send a blast out and say, do you want to make money online? Go here, and then have your website here. Or you can, do a little bit more of direct response marketing, which is what I'm doing. And I'm basically telling people you need some extra Christmas cash, want to make it without getting a second job, text me. And so they're basically going to send me a text if they're interested in this. So it's like, I'm not going to get a lot of bad messages because people are directly responding to me. That's called direct response marketing. And so when they text this phone number, that's whenever I'm going to automatically reply with an with a SMS message to their cell phone. Okay. So literally once I hit send, that's all I have to do. So once I type that in, then I'm just going to, let me see here. So sorry about that. I had an issue here, but once you type it in, you just scroll down. You can send a test to yourself if you want, but you just scroll down here. You click yes, send this message is ready to be sent. It says yes, this message is ready to be sent. So I confirmed it, and let's see. It says SMS sending. So let's just give that a moment here so I can show you what that's going to look like. internet's moving a little bit slow, but you can see it's sending the SMS now. So it'll go around this little clock here until it hits 200, and then boom, you're done. So with that being said, check out my blog. Leave me some comments on there if you have any questions. Again, inside that blog post, you're going to see a link that goes to this software. I appreciate you guys giving me a moment of your time to watch this. So have a good day.